Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram try again later. We restrict certain activity to protect our community problem. By the way, the main reason why I realize that persons keep on getting this message on Instagram is whenever they like too many posts back to back. Now to fix this, first you'll need to go into Instagram and you're going to screenshot the message. After you have screenshotted the message, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner and you're going to select settings. Next, you're going to tap on help. Then you're going to tap on report a problem. Then you're going to tap on report a problem again. And here you'll simply type in keeps on getting try again later. And then you'll tap on gallery and you'll paste the screenshot that you had taken earlier. Then you're going to tap on submit. After you have done that, you're going to close out of Instagram. And once you have closed out of Instagram, you're going to go into settings and you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on apps. And from here, you're going to search for Instagram. Then you're going to tap on Instagram. Next, you're going to select storage. And you want to tap on clear cache and clear data. Then you'll try to log back in again. And more than likely, the problem will be fixed. If it isn't fixed, you can give it a few days. Sometime they will want to verify your account. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.